It's unfortunate that this has happened to a small boy, 3-year-old. The only thing we can do is that I know, and I'm realizing this is a thing which has been raised. There is a mental health issue in many families, not necessarily in Kisii, countrywide, which thing that we need to look into and see if it's possible for us through the community health workers, regular check when the system they are working, we can see how we can be able to help those people. We believe strongly that there is the problem on mental issues. But two, I want to thank the police. I'm told they're making, headways into the investigation of this issue. Seemingly, there is the older sibling of the boy who is also challenged in a certain way. But I've directed my officers, the ministers who are in charge, that they need to do immediate rescue, even for the bigger child, the sister, to our facilities. A facility that I want to see how it's operating. Other things work out for us to reawaken our awareness of how suitable our facilities again they are. I want to check how they are, what state they are. We have taken upon ourselves as a government, for the time being, we'll take care of the baby or the babies. I'm told the mother has not shown up. The father is part of the team which is being investigated. Therefore, what we are saying is that also you as the media, you have a responsibility, especially those on local and the national, to educate, to assist, to see how we can combat the mental illness that is quickly coming up. Therefore, it's my humble request. Social media and the main media, instead of being in a very trivial newses that cannot help the society, we can be able to dwell in something that can change the lives of the people. It's my humble request that those ones, the chiefs, the assistant chiefs, the clan elders, I'm sure where this incident happened, chiefs must be knowing that that family, it had a problem, and they should have put a cross eye to what was to happen, all the aspect of what was to happen. Therefore, as a government, I've decided that I'll settle the bill with the hospital here where the baby was brought in, and at any given time that we found the other side of rehabilitation center is accommodative, therefore Daktari will release the baby to the facility. But more important, I want to ask that let us be our brother's keeper all through. And I've requested if there is problems again within my county, kindly the one that we can intervene, be it his school fees, be it his ward, be it his illness. We are there. That's why we have been elected, to step in, to make sure we have done the right thing for our people. And we want to promise we'll do it. We'll do it. It's unfortunate that this baby will not see again. The boy is talking. He wants to eat. He's not aware that he doesn't have the eyes. It's a small baby. Therefore, it's sad. But also, it's an eye-opener for what is happening in the society. I'm realizing we don't have a proper facility. And, it has called upon my conscience now. Even the supplementary I was doing, I have to put some little money to make sure there is rescue center properly with the specialists so that they can, because these are an incident, there are more incidents that are happening. Not necessarily for the eye, for other social related issues. Therefore, I want to assure you that we are going, as a government, we are going to put some money into making sure there is a proper facility to deal with such kind of incidents, and immediately, of course, of emergency. That's our responsibility. There is no another person around. I must do it. I have no option. I have to do it.